Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix the binding of Isaac Rebirth game not launching, not working, not starting problem, or when you click on play button or when you hit on play button. So when you click on play button then it does not launch. So if you're facing this kind of issues, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Fix one is to install all the DLCs. Now please take a note over here. Remember that repentance requires Afterbirth and Afterbirth plus DLC to function properly. So install all the DLC such as repentance, repentance plus, Afterbirth and Afterbirth plus. So you have to install all the DLCs and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then fix to is to uninstall Epic Games Launcher. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on apps, click on install apps, and here search for Epic Games. And here you will find the Epic Games Launcher. Click on this three dot and then click on uninstall. And then again click on uninstall. And this will uninstall the Epic Games Launcher from your PC. And after uninstalling the Epic Games Launcher, just restart your PC. And then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game and then click on properties. Then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Now this is the last solution, fix 4. Uninstall Repentance and Repentance plus DLC. So you have to uninstall both the DLC. So if you want to play standard version of the Binding of Isaac Rebirth or Afterbirth, then you have to uninstall Repentance and Repentance plus DLC. So open your Steam library and click on the Binding of Isaac Rebirth. Scroll down to the game store page until you see the DLC section on the right side. Click on Manage My DLC and then uncheck the box next to a specific DLC you want to remove, such as uncheck Repentance and also uncheck Repentance plus. Steam will instantly uninstall the DLC files, and after uninstalling both the Repentance and Repentance plus, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. So here I will show you how to do it. So open Steam, go to library, select the Binding of Isaac Rebirth game, then scroll down and here you will see Manage My DLC. Click on it and here you will see the list of DLCs. I only have Repentance plus, but if you find Repentance, then untick both of them. When you untick it, you can see update option. It will instantly update it. So just wait for it. And then you can click on play button and your problem will get solved. You can see my game is launching. So this is how you can fix the Binding of Isaac Rebirth game not launching, not opening, not starting problem, or when you click on play button it does not respond, or the game not launching problem. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.